Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5 best PC cases. Starting at number 5. NZXT H7 Flow. With just two of the company's F120Q airflow case fans behind a skeletal frame with a perforated front panel, the NZXT H7 Flow manages to deliver excellent temperature and noise level numbers in our testing, beating or competing well against pricier chassis with more fans and glass panels. It's also a pleasure to build in, with good cable management and a $130 MSRP that's quite reasonable in this era of seemingly ever-increasing prices. The primary missing feature here, which will feel refreshing for many builders, is the lack of any RGB to light up your system. That, combined with the boxy look and perforated front, means this case isn't the prettiest on our list. But it can certainly look good with some tasteful lighting delivered via your components, extra fans, or a light strip. And if you don't like the look of the fully vented front and you aren't that concerned about keeping your temps as low as they can go, the non-flow H7 model has a solid front, but with everything else we loved about the H7 Flow. Coming at number 4. Lian PC 011 Air. Lian Euro trademark SPC 011 Dynamic has been a staple, go-to PC case for pretty builds in recent years, but its days might be numbered. The 011D Mini was inspired by its design, but had a few issues. But now, the 011 Air Mini comes in as a brilliant alternative. Priced at just $110, you get a lot for your money with this case, including 3 PWM fans, bits of pretty aluminum, a glass panel, handsome looks, plentiful I/O, a brilliant internal design and full ATX compatibility. The chassis features an unusual side-by-side chambered design, but building in it is a breeze, and its performance is well up to snuff by modern standards. With this many features, great handsome styling, and such value for money, Euro trademark SA case that easily earns its place on this list. At number 3. Lian Lancool 216. With a starting price of just $100, Lian Lancool 216 delivers some of the excellent design features of its pricier 011D Evo and Lancool 3 cases, while adding a nifty PCIe fan mount and large 160mm RGB intake fans. The top I/O can be moved to the left side, near the bottom, if you're going to keep the case on your desk. The Lancool 216 isn't a quiet case, but its thermal performance is excellent Euro, especially if you add a rear 120mm below the GPU mounts, via the included bracket. There are hundreds of cases around the $100 price point, but the 216 stands out thanks to novel features for its price, great airflow, and solid design, with superb cable routing. We just wish an extra fan for the PCIe bracket were included in the price. Number 2 of my list. Phanteks Eclipse G360A. Phanteks has a history of delivering value and performance with its cases, and the Eclipse G360A is no exception. At $100, it costs about $10 more than the current price of the previous Eclipse P360A, but you get an extra RGB fan and support for larger 360 radiators at the top and front. And with the new G360A, all 3 fans feature PWM for better efficiency, noise output, and control. If that isn't a Euro trademark T worth an extra $10 to you, then you may want to scoop up the P360A while Euro trademark S still available. Despite some quirks in its design, the Eclipse G360A is a truly great case for gamers on a budget. Heck, even if money isn't a Euro trademark T a major issue, Euro trademark S still nice to get good airflow and attractive RGB without spending a lot. Sure, you could pay more for something else, but the Eclipse G360A is proof that you don't Euro trademark T have to spend a lot of money to get a great breezy box for your PC parts. And number 1. Fractal Design Meshify. Fractal Designa Euro, trademark S Meshify 2 Compact offers an excellent foundation for simple ATX gaming systems, and a chassis that will stand the test of time well. It does na Euro trademark T go out of its way to be eccentric, rather providing the user with a classy chassis that will look good for a long time to come, a chassis you can grow up with. And while its materials quality could be seen as a little lacking, this is a case where you pay for its excellent design, not only in looks, but also practicality. It has tons of cable management space, is laid out logically and with easy-to-access filters, a breeze to use and maintain as your daily driver. The biggest catch to this case is its slightly steep price and lack of RGB, but we believe ETA Euro trademark is worth paying just for how well thought out its practical design is. Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.